Hi guys, here we can discuss about the applications of Laplace transform. So previous already we discussed about the what is Laplace transform, what is the derivative of the Laplace transform, what is the inverse of the Laplace transform. So using that formulas you can find out the derivative, that means solving the differential equation using the Laplace transform. First you can write the formula L of f nth derivative of t. Okay, Laplace transform nth derivative of t, we know the formula s power n into f bar s power n minus 1 f of 0, s power n minus 2 f dash of 0. So s is decreasing, f derivatives are increasing. Okay, we know the formula for nth derivative. Using this formula you can solve the problem. Okay, so Laplace transform, for example, f y triple dash. Okay, so solve the equation. Solve y triple dash plus 2y double dash minus y dash minus 2y is equal to 0, and the given conditions y of 0 is equal to y dash of 0 is equal to 0 and y double dash of 0 is equal to 6 by Laplace transform. Use Laplace transform. So solving this equation, here y triple dash of simple y triple dash means t function. Okay, so given conditions you can observe that here y triple dash function. So given conditions are y double dash, y dash of 0, y of 0, y dash of 0, y triple dash of 0. So you can observe the conditions. Okay, if any condition is not given, then that value you can take some constant. Okay, listen, here y of 0, y dash of 0, y double dash of 0, y triple dash, in the given differential equation y triple dash is given, y double dash conditions are given, up to y double dash conditions are given. If not given, you can suppose that value, let us take the constant. Okay, so now you can apply both sides Laplace transform. Here only left side value is given, right side not given. If right side value is also given, both sides you can apply Laplace transform. L of y triple dash 2y double dash minus y dash minus 2y is equal to L of 0 means 0. So individually you can apply plus 2 into L of y double dash minus L of y dash minus 2 into L of y is equal to 0. So now you can apply the formula nth derivative. So s cube into y bar s, y triple dash formula, s cube into y bar s minus s square into y of 0 minus s into y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0. This is L of y triple dash. S square into y bar s minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. This is L of y double dash minus s into y bar s minus y of 0. This is L of y dash. Next, L of y. L of y means L of f of t. We know the formula L of f of t is equal to f bar s. Here L of y of t, y bar s. Simple y means y of t. Already told that value. So first you can take the common y bar s. All the values, from all values you take the common y bar s. In the first term s cube. In the second term 2s square. And the third term minus s. And the fourth term minus 2. Okay, first you take the common y bar s. Next remaining you can apply the conditions. S square into y of 0, 0, y dash of 0, 0, y double dash of 0, 6, minus 2s into y of 0, 0, minus 2 into y dash of 0, 0, plus y of 0, 0. Substitute all the values. Okay, so y bar s Remaining constant values you can take outside, that means right side. Here only constant value is 6. Minus 6 you can take the outside 6. Y bar s is equal 6 by s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2. First separate that value. So 2 minus 1 minus 2. So 1 3 2 0. So minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 and minus 2 minus 2 0. That means you can write 6 by s minus 1 s minus 2 s plus 1. Okay, you can separate that value. S cube power the coefficient 1 no 2 minus 1 minus 2. You can write first 1 and next minus 1 next minus 2. You can write that value 6 by. So this is y bar s. Okay, this is you can take equation 1. So 6 by s minus 1 s minus 2 s plus 1. You can separate that value using partial fractions. A by s minus 1 plus b by s minus 2 plus c by s plus 1. So 6 is equal a into s minus 2 s plus 1 plus b into s minus 1 s plus 1 plus c into s minus 1 s minus 2. You can put s is equal to 1. S is equal to 1, b coefficient value 0, c coefficient value 0. So 6 is equal a into 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 plus 1 2. That is a is equal minus 1 by 3. You can put s is equal to 2. A coefficient value 0, c coefficient value 0. So 6 is equal b into 2 minus 1 1, 2 plus 1 3. That is b is equal 6 sorry ikkada minus 3, this is 2. Next you can put s is equal to minus 1. A coefficient value 0 and b coefficient ikkada value 0, only c value. So 6 is equal c into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So c is equal to 1. So equation 1 implies y bar s is equal a by minus 3 by s minus 1 plus 2 by s minus 2 plus 1 by s plus 1. Now you can apply both sides inverse Laplace transform. L inverse of y bar s, that is L inverse of minus 3 by s minus 1 plus 2 by s minus 2 plus 1 by s plus 1. So L inverse of y bar s, that is y of t. So minus 3 into L inverse of 1 by s minus a, e power at formula, L inverse of 1 by s minus a, that means e power t, plus 2 into e power 2t plus e power minus t. So this is the solution for given differential equation. First you know the formula, nth derivative. Okay, this is nth derivative. Ikkada s power n into f bar s power n minus 1 decrease avutha ravali. Next final stage s value undadu. You can observe that value. So meeku right side value ikkada 0 ichcham gaani ichchina a value ichchina both sides first you can apply Laplace transform. First step, that is both sides you can apply Laplace transform. That is you can remember that. Okay. So next write the formulas. Triple dash ichcham. Triple dash unnappudu nth derivative is 3, n is 3. So s cube s square s, okay, last value. So s cube s square s last value. Next double dash. Next single dash. L of y and y of t ikkada, so y bar s. Next step you can take the common y bar s and the remaining you can apply the conditions. Given conditions are ikkada y triple dash ichchina